Yo, I know see a Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging channel.
Viewers and subscribers, family subs, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another update. And we say welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great, hope you all doing well. So you know what to do, so just do the do. Like, comment and share if you're new. I would love you to subscribe to my channel. When you do so, just turn on that post notification bell, put it for all. Place a shake. I don't know this thing can vibrate, because while I see if you think it never can vibrate. Yeah, that shake the place. But also when you have a video, you're the first time to be notified. Add a place up on the video, watch them out, family of viewers. Manners and thanks are doing so. S&G active. So which part today now? With the St. Thomas today. Yeah. With the right at the bridge. So right now as you can see a second pavement. They might give viewers and subscribers. So this is the second pavement out here, so second layer. As you all know, S&G responsive. S&G contract this. My viewers and my subscribers, my family subs. But as you all know, when they come out to America, there's a lot of traffic. Traffic. Now try to get on the next side, see if we can, you know, because the traffic them a pass, and we have to know we are cross. And we don't want the animosity. You understand me as a viewers? So just do the do, okay? Bless up on yourself. As I say, we try to come on the next side, but too much traffic I interfere in the video from the other side. All it nice all about. Long time bridge I want to fix up, man. As you know, this is Bustamante bridge in St. Thomas. So, you know, them start from out this. Remember, say, Simit contract is piece of the roundabout also, you know. S&G join from there. So, them start from where them contract start, going back, heading back to Springfield side. You understand my viewers? Yeah. But this bridge is in a bad condition for a long time, man. Holy for holy night, wheel of speed. pretty. Pretty serious. Yeah man, it's last set of paving what I'm put down viewers. I don't know if it's more refiner or what. But you know this wearer coat what I'm put on is, you know, look more better than the first coat. I don't know if the material different to our viewers. What do you think? Comment down in the comment section and tell me now. But this look more refiner. Yeah.
They never finished this, so that's to do everything right there, sir.
Oh yes, so what am I for curve on?
Yeah, man,
But-
and a
but-
little more digging out there, so
Yeah, but through the you notice the concrete come there, so you know.
yeah.
So they would have used barrow and dump this up because the paver can't come inside this. You get what I say?
Okay.
Yeah, so the police are what go on.
Yeah, man, but on the little place, they don't like pretty up. So it's good, I want to promote and go.
Yes,
Nothing
yes.
can't done to them,
But
sir.
ask them man, talk to them man. They all are you man, you know me I say, reason man, you don't know what can do it done man. Just say to one of the supervisors if them put it us. Because this barrow they have to just dump a barrow, some
I
barrow.
want supervisor now.
See the general you see with a machine there. Where you see over this, I'm over this. Because right there, so the man talking of viewers. Yeah, yeah. You see right there, so we talk viewers in the same just one this up, just dump up, you know. Come on, talk to them and anything can goes man. Yeah, could I get it, you know? Beg them man. All you can talk to this man. Yo, this man, talk to that man. Just so easy, don't talk to them. You see that? See, the gate I go fix up.
Yeah, man.
Yes. So give them thanks to that man, S and J man.
Yeah, man. Alright, man. Alright, just talk to me. Keep it up, but just talk to me when you come. Alright.
Oh, the bridge will vibrate. And the bridge will pop down. Yes, as you all know viewers, then they're on the Bustamante bridge in St. Thomas. You understand? So if you're coming from your last town, anywhere back that side, yeah, you have to come through this bridge in order before you can reach Namarant Bay. You have to pass this bridge. You're going to town, you have to pass this bridge. Coming from town from Yalas, you got to pass this bridge. Who need banana? Look on banana field. Lots of banana. Lots of banana. Yeah, banana tree. We don't really see one and two and plant. Both of them. Lots of plant and banana. So my viewers, I guess on the 6th of February, I don't remember, the Prime Minister is supposed to take a tour in St. Thomas pertaining to the road. So we can look out for that. I would like to really go out and capture that so we can see that. I don't know if the date got changed, but I guess it's supposed to be somewhere about the 5th or the 6th. You know, take a tour on this road project. And that's my viewers. Yeah. Bless up, me Dan. So as I said, them start from where them contract start from and them will go right back to where them contract end. So you know, say all the places now my viewers and my subscribers, I get them second layer. You know, then wear a coat. You know that jamming tail already. You understand? Button there and all those places, white passes, every place. The whole place I get its final fixed up now. You understand my viewers and subscribers? Yes, man. So what this do now, this must make the traffic flow more smoother, because this bridge, I tell you, they full of patrol. When I want to talk about, and then I can get some of the wall them before. I see me showing you some wall before them cover them. Although them cover one side already, you know. Them cover one side, I see me can get some to show you some wall. Stick and stick. As I say, one side cover already, you know, so most of the wall they do over on the side. You understand? So one side cover already, so. You're showing you some of the wall as you can see some of them and then grade it off too. If I go and dig it off, you see all them wall there. Then the deeper than that, them have something like dig it off. Dig off the whole asphalt, because this bridge never get no paved before, you know. This is the first pave it a pave. You understand? So when them dig off, it's not like them dig off but then they pave already. Never pave none at all. You understand me? So this I dig off, so all these patch where you see, then the deeper than this. But through them grade it off, yet not look so deep, but just as you can see, lots of hole in this bridge. And who travel St. Thomas and know, travel upon this bridge, yeah. Know me at all. All who travel come St. Thomas, leave St. Thomas going to town, anywhere but that side, travel upon this bridge, yeah. Know me at all. Full of wall. But through them grade it off, as me say, That's the reason why you don't see. The whole them look more, you know? Yeah, great Bustamante bridge, you know, it will walk on enough viewers. Jaja. See? So them place, all of them place. Yeah. River. I would have swim in that. That water looks so deadly. I don't know who would have gone in that was swim. Giant in my press, you know. Which part giant? Because you know them do it half and then do the next half. So the giant in my press, right? Look on it now. For the giant of yours, you can see a giant in my press. Speak with the man in the comment section, you know. For the giant, what you think about it? To me, it look okay. And take a leaf out of somebody's book. I don't know who book. Somebody book and take a leaf out. Yes, because this journey look excellent. Somebody book then take a leaf out, which is not bad. Because you can patronize good things, of course. So nothing wrong with that. But you patronize the good than the bad, you know. I mean, I tell you, I said pretty. Really smooth and pretty, viewers. Really, really smooth and pretty. Really smooth and pretty. So as we say, the whole in the bridge here. So now them pave over, so there's no more wall again. So it's going to be smooth sailing for motorists traveling this side. Yes, very good smooth sailing. This is a good thing for motorists traveling this side, my viewers and my subscribers. So the boat, hopefully them utilize it in the right way, cause you know, couple whole accident from the other day, you know, viewers. Major one, minor one, and all these things, you know. This bridge look like it. I don't want to see on this bridge. This bridge look like it want to work on. How the bridge vibrates is a shame. Yeah. And it's supposed to have some rubber underneath it, you know. To push on the load when you wait upon it. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, we bring it to them, make you see what go on, you know. See S&G put on them second paving, starting from where them contract start, heading back. You understand? So them are going to do Springfield, go back, straight back to where them all be and all about. Because you know them do jamming tail, etc. already. You understand me as a viewers? So we bring it to them, make you see what go on in the development of St. Thomas. So hope you all enjoy. So now we're to come to the end of another video. So if you're new and subscribe to my channel, thank you very much for subscribing. If you leave a like, thank you very much for like up my video, leave a comment. Yes, that way you should get active. Down in the comment section, you watch out the ads on me. Yes, my viewers can mean a lot to me. Share up my video also. Get the channel active, up and running. And you see I'm on my way to 8K. You understand? Yes, I'm on my way to 8K, so journey with me there, you know, take me there, viewers. Bless up on yourself, you know. I will say safe travel on the gravel. I'm out.